Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss about the Ollama. This is a hot topic for now, as the Llama 2 and the Code Llama modules can be accessed to the Ollama, obviously. So recently Ollama has been launching out for the Windows, as it was previously for the Mac and the Linux. So I was not able to try it out. For Windows, it has been launching out, so I have just installed it. So for installing this into the Windows, I just go and download and click and install. That's as simple as that. But we're not talking about that installation because it is very common. We're talking about the models and the API behind this. So it has a very powerful API with this. And once you install the Llama 2 model, exactly, it's about 4.5 GB of size, I think. And once you install the Llama 2, you have to run to install the Llama 2, you have to just run this Ollama run Llama 2, and it will automatically, if it does not have the Llama 2 package, it will automatically install it. And then, but there is an API in behind this, and you can use this. So suppose you are hosting an AWS Linux, and then you can put this Llama 2 on that AWS instance of that Linux, Ubuntu Linux, and then create an endpoint from there. So that can be much more useful into this. So it has a very profound API system with this, and you see the type of resources is want exactly to run those systems. Okay, so I would like to show you the response of that API. So you can see I have just outputted the answer for the response and outputted the whole response as well. So this is the whole response. Okay, so the capital of India is New Delhi. Obviously, that's a very small question, but the basic thing is this, that it has been creating context and it has been doing everything. There is a lot of information that is coming out of this, and you can see if you go to the models, there are very interesting models over here. If you go to the lava, this is something that you can pass the image and ask image of, so you can play a lot with this exactly. And this information is insane, exactly. So if you go into the here as well, you can go for code llama, and you can just use this to write a Fibonacci sequence. It will write for you. So you can use this in a lot of way, in a lot of way. But how I have used it in a very simple way, if it can be used. So I have just uses a Express.js app where I have just created an endpoint, and I have created this endpoint to route it over here, localhost 134. So if you go into this localhost and you click on this one, Ollama is running. So it is running in behind. And you can see in my tray, it is also running. Okay. So that is there. So this is the question, and you can understand if you can create up to this, that question can be dynamic itself. So it's a very useful process to run the code, run the ChatGPT like module, or a module that can have immense potential into the system, and you can change the model according to your need where you have required. There are a lot of models that are going to assign with. So if you create an instance, or if you created this a virtual machine, which these kind of things have, and then you use those APIs to generate the information from yourself, then it will be much more faster, and you do not need a internet connection for this. This is the main thing. You do not need an internet connection. So always you have this. So you are in a remote place, or you are whatever you are doing, you can send this information to something. If you have internet connection, then it's awesome. If you it can be sent across the system using the APIs as well. So you can create a API system from this one, so that you can change the model, or you can select the model and then type the question. So there can be a lot of things that can be done. So where I am just giving this question a dynamicity, I can give this model a dynamicity as well. So it can be dropped down and it can be done as well. So you can select the level of models from here and you can use this. So basically, there are a lot of models that can be used. And obviously, if you go to the, I have gotten the invitation from AI Meta, and there also they have a lot of models that can be used. So these are the models that can be used from the Llama as well. Code Llama. There are so many type of models that can be used, and it can be used over here as well. So you can go check this out. This is a beautiful local LLM system that can be so useful and so dynamic in so many ways. And obviously, I would be sharing the code on my video description. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.